In this video, I'm going to show you 18 amazing benefits and uses of lavender essential oil for your skin, hair and health. Lavender essential oil is the most versatile of all essential oils. Most commonly known for its relaxing effects on the body, therapeutic-grade lavender essential oil has been highly regarded for the skin. It may be used to clean cuts, bruises and skin irritations. The fragrance is calming, relaxing and balancing, physically and emotionally. Carrying a bottle of lavender around with you is like having your own personal first aid kit, perfume and pick-me-up. Here are 18 ways you can incorporate lavender into your daily life. Number 1, it can promote sleep. Lavender essential oil induces sleep and is often used as an alternative treatment for insomnia. Put a few drops of fragrant oil onto your palms and rub it into your pillowcase and bedsheets. It will ensure a good night's sleep. A team of researchers studied the effects of lavender aromatherapy on 67 women in Taiwan aged between 45 and 55 years of age. The volunteers showed a significant improvement in sleep quality in the study. Number 2, it can promote hair growth. Whilst lavender certainly has many benefits in maintaining healthy skin, it can also promote new hair growth. If you want luscious long locks, give lavender a try, as there are some studies suggesting its use as a hair growth promoting agent. When combined with other essential oils including thyme, rosemary and cedarwood, it has been shown to significantly improve hair loss in alopecia when massaged into the scalp daily. Number 3, a bug repellent. The smell of lavender essential oil is potent for many types of bugs like mosquitoes, midges and moths. Apply some lavender oil on the exposed skin when outside to prevent these irritating bites. Furthermore, if you do happen to be bitten by one of those bugs, lavender essential oil has anti-inflammatory qualities that will reduce the irritation and the pain associated with the bug bite. Number 4, lavender oil for cleaning. From general house cleaning to scenting your soap, lavender oil is quite versatile to use around the house. Unlike commercially available cleaning products, you also don't have to worry about safety issues and dealing with toxic ingredients day in, day out. Number 5, migraine headache relief. Whilst headaches are an unpleasant health ailment, migraines can be debilitating. Due to its analgesic and anti-inflammatory and anti-anxiety actions, lavender may be beneficial in reducing the pain and tension of a headache or migraine. Relief can be found through inhalation of the essential oil or through rubbing the oil on the pressure points including the temples and the nape of the neck. Combine lavender with peppermint oil when applying topically for an added cooling effect. Never apply an essential oil directly to your skin though, always have it in a base oil or cream. Number 6, it can treat acne. According to dermatologists, the lavender essential oil is one of the most beneficial oils in the treatment of acne. Its antibacterial and anti-therapeutic properties help reduce acne. Pure lavender essential oil inhibits the bacteria that cause the initial acne infection. It can help to regulate the overexcretion of sebum by hormonal manipulation and can reduce the signs of scarring after the acne has begun to heal. Adding a small amount of lavender essential oil to other skin creams or ointments can greatly increase the potential for relief and healing. Number 7, antimicrobial action. One well-known lavender oil benefit is the antimicrobial action it can have. For centuries it's been used topically to heal combat bacterial and fungal infections, with a multitude of studies supporting this benefit. The antimicrobial activity of lavender is further enhanced when it's combined with other essential oils, including clove, tea tree oil and cinnamon oil for topical use. Number 8, it can relieve pain. The lavender essential oil is known as an excellent remedy for various types of pain, including those caused by sore and tense muscles, muscular aches, rheumatism, sprains and backache. Regular massage with lavender oil can provide relief from pain in these joints. Number 9, it can ease sunburn. Due to its antiseptic and antimicrobial properties and its ability to assist with skin healing, lavender makes a great remedy to ease sunburn. Add a few drops to aloe vera gel or mix it in with a spray with both lavender and peppermint essential oils to help take the sting out of that burn. Number 10, a treatment for head lice. Head lice are a common and annoying childhood problem that runs rampant through schools. Lavender oil is an effective option when addressing head lice and can also prevent lice infestations. It works particularly well when combined with tea tree oil. Add the lavender and tea tree oil to coconut oil and massage the oil into your hair and scalp and leave it for about 2 hours. Shampoo the hair, rinse, and then apply conditioner. Use a knit comb, remove the knits and their eggs, then rinse and dry your hair as normal. It is recommended to repeat this 5 to 6 times for the best results. Number 11. It can assist in wound healing. Lavender oil has wonderful properties that help with wound healing. When applied to a minor wound, it can help promote healing by helping the minor wound to contract and speed up the process of tissue repair. You can add 4 drops of lavender oil to 10 grams of vitamin E cream or coconut oil and apply this to the minor wound. Number 12. Lavender oil for scars. Due to its ability to support wound healing, lavender essential oil prevents the skin from scarring in the first place. It also improves circulation and promotes the generation of new skin cells to accelerate healing and reduce the appearance of scars. So how do you best use lavender oil for scars? Well, the best way to prevent scarring for minor scrapes, cuts and burns is to use a mix of lavender oil and a carrier oil while the wound is still fresh and apply every day till the wound heals to prevent infection, speed up healing and prevent scarring. To reduce the appearance of scars, mix 2 drops of lavender oil with 2 drops of black seed oil. Studies suggest that the black seed oil prevents scar formation and clears blemishes. Repeat twice daily. Number 13. Lavender oil for eczema. Eczema is an uncomfortable skin condition that affects millions of people all over the world. It is characterized by dry, scaly, itchy skin and can range from being mild to severely chronic, affecting one or more parts of the body. Essential oils blended with healing carrier oils can do wonders for treating eczema. As a natural antiseptic, antifungal and anti-inflammatory, lavender oil can help reduce irritation, redness and control the symptoms of eczema. To create a cream lavender oil, it's best mixed with tea tree oil and coconut oil. Number 14. Lavender oil can reduce anxiety. In addition to improving sleep quality, lavender can also reduce anxiety levels. Inhalation of lavender essential oil daily for 15 days has been shown to reduce levels of anxiety. One study showed that the use of lavender oil fragrance at a dental reception effectively reduced patients' state of anxiety. Pop some oils into your bag and take a sniff when you're feeling anxious or overwhelmed throughout the day. And remember to take them to your next visit to the dentist. Number 15. It can help with respiratory disorders. Lavender oil is widely used for various respiratory problems including throat infections, flu, coughs, colds, asthma, sinus congestion, bronchitis, whooping cough, laryngitis and tonsillitis. It can be put in an aromatherapy essential oil diffuser or alternatively it can be topically applied to the skin, neck, chest and back. It can also be added to many vaporizers and inhalers that are commonly used for colds and coughs. The stimulating nature of lavender essential oil can also loosen up the phlegm and relieve congestion associated with respiratory conditions, thus speeding up the recovery process. Number 16. Lavender oil for lips. If you have dry, chapped lips, hydrate your lips with a nourishing carrier oil blended with lavender oil that helps soothe and protect. Also is great for sunburn as we discussed earlier. So the best way to use lavender oil for dry lips is to mix 2 to 3 drops of a carrier oil such as jojoba oil, avocado oil or argan oil with a drop of lavender oil. Rub onto your lips especially when you're going out into the sun. Number 17. Lavender oil for dogs. The number one talked about essential oil for dogs' anxiety is lavender oil, which also works great for humans as we've discussed. Lavender oil is very safe and gentle for dogs. It can be used to calm and soothe your dog by gently rubbing it into your dog's ear, fur and skin whilst giving it a nice massage. Number 18. Lavender oil for depression. Lavender has been used to relax and calm since the ancient Romans. But in today's research it has been documented that lavender can also help fight insomnia and depression. In a 2012 study, postpartum women with postnatal depression were administered aromatherapy using lavender oil for 2 months. The study concluded by reporting a significant reduction in postnatal depression and suggested the aromatherapy protocol as being an effective mode of treatment and complementary therapy in both anxiety and depression. And finally, there are also some risks associated with this potent oil. These include if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. As with many other essential oils, you should consult with your healthcare practitioner before using lavender essential oils. Caution should be exercised while using the oil, especially on children. Also, it may cause allergic reactions like skin irritations to people who have unusually sensitive skin. And finally, blending it is generally okay. Lavender oil blends well with many other essential oils including cedarwood, pine, clary sage, geranium and nutmeg. So how do you buy the best essential oils? Well, when buying essential oils, make sure the bottle says it's 100% pure essential oil and has the proper name of the species mentioned on the label of the bottle. If you see the word fragrance, it most always means that there are other additives in the bottle. Ideally, it's always best to buy essential oils that are labelled as therapeutic grade, meaning they are free of toxins and chemicals and are unfiltered and undiluted. Also beware of genetically modified ingredients and choose non-GMO essential oils. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 18 amazing benefits and uses of lavender essential oil for skin, hair and health. And if you have, please subscribe and give this video the thumbs up, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the 27 amazing health benefits and home uses of orange peels. Thanks for watching and bye for now.